This destination wasn't even my bucket list this year, but I'm back in Taiwan. Hi guys, day 1 dito sa Taipei and direct flight to Ximending agad tayo for a massive food trip. So actually, this is my second time in Taiwan. So first stop, this legendary Taiwanese fried donut, super crispy on the outside, soft and fluffy inside, plus coated sa milk powder. So good. Pero ito guys, meron din sa Binondo nito, kalasa lang talaga. So for me, this is 8/10. Nothing special guys, pero masarap. To wash it down, syempre hindi pwedeng mawala ang Uji Sing Futang Brown Sugar Boba Milk. Grabe, look at that. Pati itong Xiaolong Bao, for us guys, hindi siya overrated. Kaya you must try talaga. So after that guys, bumalik muna kami dito sa hotel. So dito pala kami nakastay sa Xiamen Citizen Hotel. So ito malapit lang sa shopping and food district. As in walking distance lang at super affordable guys. So yun guys, after a quick rest sa hotel to recharge, nag-picture muna tayo. We dropped by a self-shoot photo studio to capture some souvenir snaps. Super cute dito guys, and the setup and all. Hi! Round 2, night walk naman tayo. So, while in Ximending, andito lang, naglakad-lakad lang kami. Naghahanap-hanap ng mga mabibili guys dito. So, actually, nag-crave kami ng fried rice and then nag-scroll lang kami sa TikTok and they recommend us one shop na sobrang sarap talaga guys. So, ayun, hinanap namin kung saan. Pero parang nasa likod lang siya ng Ximending. So, ayan, nilakad na lang namin to find that local stores. So, mura lang talaga yung fried rice dito. At the same time, ang sarap. Sobrang sarap. So, I'll rate this, I think, 10/10. Pinakamasarap sa nakain namin. So, yun. Tinikot na lang namin kasi masyadong maraming tao sa loob and we don't want to wait. Kaya yung plan namin is kainin na lang sa hotel. And then after that, tinry lang namin tong Angus beef na grilled, smoke. So, I think, guys, this one is 200 NTD and sobrang sarap niya, guys. Sobrang lambot. And kapag bumabalik talaga akong Taiwan guys, ito yung una-una kong hinahanap at binibili kasi ang sarap niya. For this, I will rate this 10/10. Dito, magti-taste test din yung partner ko at talagang approved sa kanya itong Angus beef. So after that, we grabbed more of Xiaolong Bao. Ito guys, ang sarap, ang init, bagong luto and homemade. So mainit pa siya dyan. Lalagay ko mamaya yung location nito. Must try talaga. And then we also grabbed some black boba or brown sugar drinks to go to enjoy back in our room. So, absolute food coma. So, yun lang yung nabili namin, guys. Kain tayo, Team Riza! Yan, day 2, early morning call time at Taipei Main Station to join our North Coast Tour. So dito, naglalakad na kami papuntang bus. Ay, salamat. Nasa bus na rin. Sobrang init, guys. First stop, Hulio Geopark. So this alien-like rock formation were carved by thousands of years of coastal erosion. So they highlight the iconic Queen's Head. So geologists say her neck is getting thinner every year due to weather. So we really had to see her in person before she's gone. Pero guys, hindi na kami bumaba kasi sobrang init. Nandito na kami sa taas. So after that, kung bibili kayong pasalubong guys, dito na kayo bumili as in. Kasi tinry namin sa Ximending, doon sa district, mas mahal siya. So dito, it's much cheaper. At the same time, marami din naman silang variation and pagpipilian. So yun lang, diretsuhin nyo lang hanggang dulo. Andun si ate at si kuya. At makipagtawaran na lang kayo kasi marunong din sila Tagalog mga tea. So, dito guys, konti lang talaga yung pinamili namin. Gawa nga nung namili na kami ng pasalubong sa Carrefour. So, dito, mostly mga, pang-haplas-haplas na yung binili namin, mga inhaler. Next up, Chief and Old Street. So, before that, tinry ko muna itong pork sausage and ang sarap guys. 50 NTD lang. Ito, I think it's 9/10. So, Chief and Old Street, back in the day, villagers were launched sky lanterns into the mountains as a signal system to let their family know they were safe from bandits. Now, it's a beautiful tradition where visitors write their deepest hopes and prayers to release into the sky. After writing our wishes, we walked to the stunning Chieftain Waterfall, the Niagara Falls of Taiwan. And ito, sightseeing lang. And then dito nga guys, may nakita pa kaming rainbow sa baba. As in, super cool nitong place na to. And then after that, we headed to Joffen Old Street. So, a former 1980s gold mining town that looks like a real-life studio set straight out of Spirited Away. So, the narrow alleys and glowing red lanterns are pure magic. So, dito guys, hindi na talaga kami nakapag-video sa taas. So, yung pababa na nga lang yung na-captured namin dahil sobrang pagod na ng mga tao. Dito, dinaanan na lang namin yung isang local cat kasi sobrang cute pero nagtago na siya guys. So sad. So back sa city, the next day we treated ourselves to a Michelin Guide restaurant for breakfast. So guys, ang laki ng serving, super solid meal. I think hindi ko naubos na. Then we made our way to Qing Chan Kang Grassland in Yangmingshan. Fun fact guys, this place actually used to be a ranch during the Japanese era. Today, it's famous for its wide, rolling green hills and wild water buffaloes roaming freely. So the mountain breeze here is so refreshing, a complete escape from the busy city traffic. So ito, picture, video for Instagram guys. Ang ganda dito, as in sobrang worth it. Yan siya, nagmahal-mahala na naman sila. So ito guys, pabalik na kami Philippines and nag-aayos na kami. But before heading home, we grabbed some mango ice cream. Nagulat pa nga kami dyan guys kasi sobrang laki ng serving. And I don't think na mauubos namin at hindi talaga din namin naubos. So after that, we found a cozy spot along the trail and just watch the sunset over the oceans. Pure bliss. What a wonderful trip, guys. Tumambay lang nga kami saglit dito, guys, at sobrang ganda at nakaka-relax. Like and follow for the next adventure. Bye-bye!